Yo, hello guys. It's Ose here, and thank you for clicking on this video. And today I'm going to show you how to animate your graphics online. Yeah, I know. To start as Adobe After Effects might be quite difficult, and we have online alternatives, and you don't have to install anything. You just enter a link and you're good. So the first video is artboard. With artboard you can design and animate. They say you can design and animate like never before. Yeah, they made it simple to animate. We have Vista Create. Vista Create, it's similar to Canva, but yeah, it's just an alternative of Canva. We have SVG Getter, the easiest way to animate SVG. This is actually, I think, is the best. We have Canva. Yeah, this is the the pioneer of all this. So thank you guys. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. See you in the next one.